Oh, this boy getting crossed. He about to get crossed up. Like my boy ain't ready for it. He ain't ready for it. But on the sports court, what they got all types of tournaments that they do. People be hooping all the time. I ain't gonna lie, hooping in the middle of the sea is actually like kind of crazy. But people do it. I mean, they be having fun. They be going crazy. I ain't gonna lie. They be having the 3-on-3 tournaments. They got tournaments every morning and afternoon. And it's not just basketball. They have basketball, soccer, volleyball. They got it all. They got tournaments every single day. Every single day.